In this video, I'll show you a quick way to import images into AutoCAD without worrying about broken image references later. Instead of attaching an external image file, you can embed the image directly into your drawing. First, locate the image you want to use on your computer. Then press the Windows, Shift, and S keys together to open the snipping tool and capture the area you need. Once the screenshot is copied to your clipboard, switch back to AutoCAD and press Ctrl and V to paste it directly into your drawing. Because the image is pasted instead of attached, it becomes part of the drawing file and won't disappear if the original image is moved, renamed, or deleted. You can verify this by opening the External References palette, where the pasted image won't appear because it's fully embedded. This method is perfect when sharing drawings with others or archiving projects without missing image files. It keeps your workflow simple, reliable, and free from broken references. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, and thanks for watching.